I'm going to be making a hood for this event. It's under our dresser, so you don't burn down the dresser or something. Hi, Loki. It's like -1,000,000 out here. Ow. Hi, Gazy. He's a pretty girl, huh? Come here. Hi. Yes. And, oh, I thought I saw the cat. Okay, so I had to go all the way back inside to get my truck keys because I forgot them. Hey, $2. I guess I have to come back for that when I can't film and carry 2 big toolboxes at the same time, huh? Okay. That's one toolbox. This is the metal I'm going to be using to make the little hood for that vent underneath the dresser. It's like metal paneling for under-house ventilation for little floor vents. Like if you're living in a trailer, that's what this stuff is. It's just like sheet metal. And toolbox number 2. So since this metal already has a really nice bend in it for the air to go, I want to kind of keep that, and I'm going to try to put a bend in it long ways and flatten out that part and cut a little U for where the it'll slide around the vent. That's hopefully how this is going to go. Hopefully it works. Alright, I just got to find my headlight. I'm going to need that. Oh, that's the roofing hammer. I need this, is what I meant to say. And safety first. And where's that headlamp? And there it is. Oh, found the other cat. Hi, Mama. I've got to measure how tall it is for me to put the, how much room I have to make the vent. Or to make that little horseshoe. It's like 3.5. Looks like my optimum room. This 4 inches is kind of going up underneath the dresser a little bit, so 3.5 looks like plenty. I don't want to go under the dresser, because then I'm not doing anything. Which is going to be about. I don't have a pen on me, so I'm going to mark this. Scrape the metal with my knife. It's clear enough, I can see it. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to clamp this on here, and I'm going to angle grind it with the flap disc just to kind of clean up this mumbo jumbo. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm not going to use the whole thing and it's going to get bent, so, you know, that's going to do the trick for now. So now I've got this marked here where I'm going to bend it, and I don't want to do that and film at the same time because I'm totally going to knock my phone off of the edge of this railing and to God knows where. So, I'll be right back. Well, doing that way was going to take forever, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to take the flathead screwdriver and I'm going to put a kink all the way down this to make it easier to bend, kind of like give it an idea where to bend whenever I put more force on it so it'll bend easier. Well, I'd say that actually worked quite well. You can see the crease pretty easy all the way through. So now I'm going to try to bend it and see if it'll bend the way I want it to.